Chadburn on it. If not, it's somebody's exciting. Say, who's that from?
Santa Claus.
What is it, Chadburn?
Jay, do you want to help? Yeah, Grandma, do you want me to help you?
Oh boy.
What's inside?
What's in the bag, Chadburn?
Open the bag. What's in the bag?
It's a Spider-Man, huh?
You pull it out?
We have some black ones, and we call him his Spider-Man pants.
Yeah.
So
He's pulling on the string, which is tightening it around his arm, which is not helping.
I think you found something. Did you find something?
what's in there, Chadburn? What is it? What color is it?
Oh. What is it? What is it? Show us. Show us.
What's on it? Chadburn, what's on the pants?
Put them on.
Look at this, Chadburn.
Chadburn, show mommy.
Spider!
Should we put them on over your pajamas?
He's just like, get this out.
Give me
Everything is like, open this, play with this, put it on.
Can you say it? Spider pants, spider pants.
This is so funny.
Never rest my song.
Hooray!
Are those spider pants, Chadburn?
Show mommy. Say look. Cool, dude.
Spider pants, crazy legs, crazy legs.
Show your spider.
Can you look at your spider?